right, today we are bottling, I believe, the blueberry compote mead, or blueberry Acerglyn Mead. So I had taken a gravity back on November 12th, and it was 1.022. It was about 14%, so we'll see if it stayed there or if it has moved. I do have some orange blossom honey just in case I want to add a bit more. And it wasn't too long after that that I added the vanilla bean, because I did forget to add it initially when I had filmed. So I added the vanilla bean around the 23rd. I think I actually ended up adding a second one to this as well. This is very cloudy looking. It is the beginning of January right now. It is the 9th, so this has been sitting for almost 2 full months, and it does not look very clear. I mean, we'll see what it looks like when I rack it, but it looks pretty cloudy. If you can see past all of the cat hair and dirt from this sitting on the floor, there's like this, I don't know, kind of a murkiness on top. Okay, well, I am going to rack, and then I'm going to take a gravity reading, then we're going to taste it, and then we're going to bottle it. Everything has been sanitized, of course, as usual. I am just going to rack into my lap, basically. So I'm not really gonna show you the racking process this time, but if you've watched other videos, you have already seen it. You know how it works. Well, racking this, it is very clear. I can see right through this. And there is like a weird mushroomy looking thing on the top. I don't know how to explain it. Well, that was successful, thankfully. So this is actually quite clear. Sometimes it's really hard to tell, especially when the outside of your carboy, your vessel, gets like dirty. Mine is covered in cat hair. Well, it doesn't appear to have moved. If anything, it moved 2 points. It looks like it's very, very close to exactly 1.020. So I would say that that is okay. All right, moment of truth. How does this taste? I don't know what to expect. I do get the orange blossom honey and alcohol. That's pretty sweet. I feel like as it ages though, it's not gonna be as sweet. I've noticed that when I bottle my meads that are around 1.020, in the beginning they have a pretty high like sweetness level in taste, but then as they age, you know, I taste them 4 months down the line and that sweetness is really mellowed out and it's not as sort of dessert-like. 1.020 definitely isn't a dessert wine level, and you do pull the blueberry. It's really nice. It's already pretty like well-rounded, and there's a depth to it. You get that high sweetness level, but then you also get this like a base, almost like a chocolatey malt level. I think I ended up adding 2 vanilla beans. Yeah, and it isn't like a super strong vanilla taste, but it's vanilla. This is good, this is ready to bottle. I don't feel the need to add more honey to this, so I'm gonna take off the cap. Just gonna set that in there, stick my bottling wand in here. It's like the most difficult part. Is getting the bottling wand on this stupid plastic tubing. All right, so I'm just gonna get this going. I have 6 bottles down here, so I hope that does the trick. All right, here we go. Okay, so I got almost 7 bottles out of this. I would have gotten 7 if I got a little bit more of the stuff at the bottom. It is under this hump, which isn't great. So this one's gonna have to get drunk sooner than the other ones, because the less air, the better. Okay, so in a couple of months, I do like to wait at least 2 months, I think, before I do a tasting. Closer to 3 or 4. I know, I'm sorry, it's kind of a long wait, but I like to get a better feel for how it's going to be as it ages. You know, if you drink one 2 weeks in, it's only been 2 weeks. So it's not a very accurate reading, because I have noticed that, you know, I will drink meads that soon after, and between there and 4 months is like a huge difference. Even a month to 2 months is a big difference in flavor, and I can't even begin to imagine what a year would be like. So I think even if I wait a couple of months and then do a tasting and then maybe do another tasting in a year, that would be good, right? All right, well, I have a lot of cleaning up to do. I'm probably gonna drink some of that lease over there, because this is actually really good. I don't know if I expressed that well enough. It is really good. I am very happy with this. Right now, I can't really pull apart a lot of the flavors, so hopefully as it sits, I'll be able to read a little bit more. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. If you watch this, please subscribe if you aren't, and like and comment. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.